Hi, and welcome to the Law Simplified. I'm Shaveen Bandardanayaka. For most of you, this will be the time of exams. And for some of you, you might be sitting for your very first examination in your first year, or the very last examination in your last year of the LLB, just over 24 hours from now. Either way, a question I get quite often asked is what should I do in the days leading up to my examinations and the final few hours before the examination itself? The answer to that is quite simple, and I keep stating this to every student that I encounter. Relax. At this point of time, you've put the work in, you've studied, you've analyzed, you've understood, and chances are you've also attempted past paper examination questions. Now, what you need to do is clear your mind in preparation for the examination at hand. Because remember, for most of you, your examination will either be 2 or 3 hours at a stretch. And while you have prepared by going through and answering past paper questions, those would have been in a very ad hoc nature. In other words, you would have allocated about a 45-minute or a 1-hour window here and there to write those questions. The examination is quite different in that sense. You will not get a break. The 2 or 3 hours will evenly be spaced between either the 3 or 4 questions that you will have to answer. So at this point of time, having attempted all these past paper questions, having understood the law, the last thing you would want to do 24 hours before your exam is to feel exhausted. Those 3 hours are exhaustion in itself. You don't need to add to that suffering, so to speak. Apart from that, if you must read something and you feel like you don't essentially want to stay without doing anything whatsoever, I would recommend that you go through the answer scripts that you've written in order to prepare for your examinations. Apart from that, if you feel like you need a really quick recap on whatever that you've learned so far, there are plenty of resources online, including the series of playlists which are organized and categorized according to subjects and topics on my channel, on the Law Simplified channel here. If you're interested, I will link below all of the material in order of precedence, as well as the different topics that I'm covering through my masterclass programs as well. Just have a go through that, but most importantly, relax. Keep in mind that you've put in the effort, you've put in the work. You can feel comfortable that when you go for your examination in the upcoming days, that you will come out with flying colors based on the effort that you've put in. So, all the very best. Good luck for the upcoming examinations. Always relax and have fun, stay safe, and obey the law. Cheers.